Thanks. So please open R Studio. First step today is please open R Studio. All participants please open R Studio. No, in our previous lectures class we download and install R Studio and R and learn some basic about screens on R Studio. So we have learned about 4 screens: screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4. The name of screen number 1 is script file. The name of screen number 2 is console file. The name of screen number 3 is global environment, and the name of screen number 4 is plot packages. So hope all participants have known about these 4 screens and their working. I also teach about their working. Screen number 1 or script file is used for writing a script. Screen number 1 is used for writing a script. Screen number 2, after writing a script, when we run a code, our results appear in screen number 2 in console, while our dataset any dataset in the form of Excels, SPSS or any other formats will be appear on global environment. While in screen number 4 many options are here and it is most frequently used screen, as like screen 1 and screen 4 are most likely or most frequently used screens. In these screens we have learned that screen 4 is used when we draw a plot or when we install a package. So our plots are appear in screen 4. Hope all these basic concept you have cleared. So we move to our today class. So as I tell you in previous class, our today class is about what are packages and how to install it. Okay, today our class is about what are packages and how to install it or install them. So what are the packages? And one more thing is remembered for you. The most important thing is that we are going to learn R programming. We are going to learn R programming, but remember that we should not need to learn programming. We just need to learn driving. We just need to learn running of a script. Like I give you an example. If you buy a car, then you need to learn its engineering or driving. It depends on your purpose. For example, I type here, when you buy a car, for personal transport my question is that you need to learn its engineering or its driving, while your purpose is to move from home to uni. I am going to explain you about some basic concepts. What are going to learn about R. For example, when you buy a car for personal transports. So my question is that you need to learn its engineering or its driving. It's my question. Please answer all participants. If you buy a car for personal use, you need to learn its driving or its engineering. Driving. Hope all participant answer is driving because we are not engineer. So in the case of R, we also need to learn the driving of R, not its engineering. We need to learn its driving, how it work, how to use this, not generate creating its code. Codes are already available. All type of scripts are already available. We just need to drive it. Understand? Many people thinks that about our programming is very tough. It's not our field. It is related to computer or IT fields. So I am clearing here that we don't need to learn anything about IT or programming. We just learn to drive it, how to use this, how to do, how to use this, and we will reach in our goal. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear. I want to clear you. Now, what's about packages? What are packages? I give you an example again. Like if Miss Sherman is a student of PhD class, and today he is with his supervisor, and he have a beaker in his hand. Her supervisor asked him, please measure pH. Please measure pH of this solution. No, Mr. Sherman go to lab and find pH meter, measure pH, and then come back to her supervisor and tell them about pH. Again, her supervisor asked him, please measure zinc concentration. No, my question is that no, she will again measure, she will again use pH meter. Absolutely all participant answer is no. She not use again pH meter to measure zinc concentration. So if again her supervisor asked him, please find nanoparticles, or simply we say find its temperature, Mr. Sherman used thermometer. So in our biological lab different instruments are found, and each instruments have different purpose, different function. Similarly in R there are different instruments. Similarly in R there are different instruments which are used for a specific purpose, like microscope is used for specific purpose, thermometer is used for specific purpose, uh, spectrophotometer is used for specific purpose, PCR is used for specific purpose. Similarly in R different instruments are available which are used for different purpose. Each purpose have its own package, its own instruments. So like in our biological lab, you can see in different instruments. As you see, different instrument in biological lab for different works. Similarly in R you can see different instrument for each purpose. So our R is similar to our biological lab. Like if supervisor of Miss Sherman's asked him about pH, he go to pH meter. If he asked about temperature, he find thermometer. If he asked about molecular DNA, he find PCR. If he asked him about zinc or iron concentration, he find atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Similarly in R, when your supervisor asked him, please draw a plot, you need an instrument. You need a instrument. If your supervisor asks to draw a PCA, you also need to instrument, and these instruments are known as packages. All these instruments are known as packages. Now I hope you will be understand what are packages. Packages are the instruments which are used for specific purpose in R. Each purpose have a specific package. Like you make a graph, it need a instrument, and this instrument is known as a package. I hope you will be clear about packages. What are packages? Packages are the instruments which are in our R lab, and each package have different or specific function. Please confirm all participants have got it. Please reply all participants have understand. Clear? Okay. Now we check about packages. So when we do any work in R, we need a package. Every work need a package. Like our first step is import data. How to import data? Like I already have imported a ficus files. It's look like this. I am sending you. Please download it and save it on desktop. Copy. I send a file in WhatsApp group. Please download it and type done. Download it and type done in chat, and save at desktop. Okay, so again I take an example. Of Sherman. Again, supervisor of Sherman's asked him, here is a file, please import this file in R. When you asked each and every questions about R, the first question should be arise in your mind is that which package will be used. When you given each task on R, the first question arises in your mind, which package will be used. Similar errors like in our biological lab, when our supervisor give us a specific task and ask him do its analysis, and he asked me do or find zinc concentrations. The first question arises in my mind is that which instrument is used to measure zinc or iron concentrations. So Ms. Sharma's arise a questions, which package will be used for import a ficus file. Her supervisor replied him, read Excel. Her supervisor replied him, read Excel. So she need read Excel to import a data set. So there are two ways of installing a package in R. First way is click on packages, screen number 4. Click on packages. You can see here are different type of packages. Before installing a packages, I am going to explain two types of packages. Types of packages. Number one is basic packages. Second is installed packages. Now, what is the difference between the basic package and installed package? I give you again a simple example. If you buy a new phone, cell phone, you can see in your cell phone phone dialer, messages, calendar, time, and many more. Many more tools are already available. When you open and turn on 0 meter phone, cell phone, you can see there are many options are available in this. Similarly, like when you take a new window in your laptop, you can see a lot of options already available. These are the basic functions, basic packages like cell phone, phone dialer, message, calendar, Gmail, basic already installed in when you open first time your mobile phone, and you see many options are available in that. These are the basic packages. Similarly in R, I when I open the packages, you can see there are a lot of number of packages are already available. You can see here these packages are already available in R. These packages are known as basic packages, while some packages we need to install in them. While some packages we need to install in it, and these packages are known as installed packages. So two type of the packages, basic packages already available, in R, while installed package which we install. Hope this point you will got it. Now our task is find read Excel. So I am going to again example with biological lab. If Ms. Sherman's supervisors ask him, please measure pH of this solution. Measure pH. She need pH meter. If she is new in this lab, she went to lab, search here and there, but she could not find pH meter. Now he come again back to her supervisor and asked him, I could not find any pH meter in your lab. Her supervisor replied her, please find lab attendant and asked him. So in our R, here is a lab attendant. You can see in packages, here is a button of search. This is the lab attendant. In our biological lab, lab attendant have all record about instruments, chemicals, each and everything which is found in our lab. So in our R lab, here is a lab attendant. You can see in screen number 4 is a search. We need to search a read Excel here. Find read Excel. Please all participants find read Excel here, and you can see here a package name read Excel. So please check and confirm me. So I am tell you again this story. She need pH meter and she find here and there, but could not find. So okay, all participants have this already. uh, One participant, Dr. Manish, kindly let me know you have read Excel or not. Yes. No, she need pH meter. She find here. No, when similarly when her supervisor asked him, please find read Excel, she type here read Excel and find read Excel. If she did not have read Excel, she need to install it from here. Type here read Excel. Press on install button. He asked me I already have, so I ask him yes, so all participants can see its downloading and installations, and all those participants who could not attend class live, watching videos, recorded videos, so they will get benefit. So I click on yes. Please practice it again. And another method is that type here install dot packages, install dot packages, type inverted comma between parentheses and write here read Excel or any package name. So my R session is restarting, so we should wait a bit. Hope you already have this and know about how to install and packages. Now our next step is that if we have an instrument, if we have a instrument in our biological lab, like we say we have a PCR, before working on PCR we need to activate it, turn on it. If we have a spectrophotometer, we need to turn on it. Similarly in R, all packages need to be turned on before working on it. Before working on it, we should need to be turned on or activate this package. So for activation, type library, select library. It's showing that these are a basic function, base. So these are the basic functions. Click on here, type here read Excel and run the script. So our package is turned on. Now all participants import data file. Go on screen number 3, global environment. Go on screen number 3, global environment. Here is a button import dataset. Click on import dataset. You can see a list of options. Choose from Excel. and click on it. After clicking on from Excel, you can see another window or another page. Click on browse. Here you can find your file. I have this file in desktop. Please find your location and import. After selection your files, you can see preview of your files. Here are different options. You can select sheet. In my dataset there are 2 sheets. I can select them. Here is the sheet, and so there is no data in this sheet, so I select data. You can also select from range of your data set. Give them here range, and it will pick only given range. So press the button import. You can see our data set. Our data set have been imported. Okay, Mr. Sharman, can you share your screen? Please share your screen. I perform importing dataset on your screen. Please share your screen. Okay. Now you have read Excel. Good. No, click see screen number 3, global environment. Press no import dataset. Yes, from Excel. Third point, from Excel. You want to install the package? No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now browse this file. Click here, right side, browse button. Click on browse button. Find location of file where you save ficus file. You can upload import any other files if you did not find it. For practice, you can, if you have any other file, Excel file, you can import it. You can import this file. I think it is not in Excel format. It's the CSV format. You can see here it is CSV format. Mr. Dr. Habibur Rahman, you are not importing a correct file. Please import Excel files which I have sent you, or please share your screen. Dr. Habibur Rahman, kindly share your screen. Okay, close this file. Open RStudio, import from Excel. Wait. Okay, please go back on Excel file. I think you have changed its name and its extension. Yes. Again, download. Please again download this file and don't change its name. Save. Save this file. Again save this. No, don't write name. Just already written name. Yes. Replace. Okay. No, try to import. Okay. You have another Excel file. Okay. Yes. I think this file may be some issues. So here is a data missing data set. So no issue. Just we are trying to import data set. Click on import. Click on file. Any one file you can use here. Just practice for importing of data set. Excel. Here is a okay. Okay. No import this. Yes. You can see here. And one more thing is that please click on global environment. Okay. Click on again screen 1. Okay. You can see your file name is hm27 and you have already imported many other files in R. Okay, like you imported correlation matrix, hm, Corlia, empty cars, no data, PC. You have already imported these data. Okay. I hope you will be satisfied and you have done your import step. Thanks. Please close your screen. And Dr. Monish, have you import this step, completed this step? Ms. Sharman, please open your screen, share your screen. You need to click on, no, please wait. First click on brush button below tutorial button in screen number 3. Here is a brush button. Brush, yes. Click on it. Okay. uh, there is no data set in this, so please try to import. Click on import from Excel. Okay, now click on import button below. No, come on screen number. I think you have already worked some, write some code, and so you need to close this and open new project. No, please close it and restart our studio. After restarting you will get it. Don't save. Please share your screen. Ms. Sharma, please share your screen. Okay, today class was about packages, how to install packages, and how to import Excel file in our R. So Ms. Sharman, please try it. If you have any other error or any other questions, please you can ask in me WhatsApp group or in WhatsApp. So our next topic will be about working directory. Our next class is about working directory and about basic plots. So in our next class we create our working directory and make basic plot. Okay, thanks all participants.